Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Black Ritual Tarot by Adam Zonca. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US, and of course everywhere that you can legitimately purchase it will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. Now let's get into it. Using only black ink, the Black Ritual Tarot invites us to explore the depths of the psyche. Adam Zonca's highly detailed illustrations offer a monochromatic perspective on the enduring Rider-Waite archetypes and symbols. This black and white deck was created to offer focused readings that cast light on the dark and light aspects within our journey and ourselves. Includes 78 cards and a 56-page booklet with card meanings and keywords. All right. For those of you who really like black and white decks, this might be for you. Ooh. Ooh. Very pretty. Okay. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook real fast to see if there's anything that we need to know. Right off the bat, we have some 3 cards for spread. The 2-card yin and yang spread, and then it goes into the meanings. Awesome. Okay, so I will say that this looks like it's very minimalistic as a guidebook, but if you do need a little bit more help, always get yourself a reference book if you're starting out, because that will help you tremendously. Okay, I'm going to unwrap this. I'll be right back. All right. It is that nice US Game System cardstock where it's just right in that sweet midpoint to where it's not too thick, not too thin, and it's snapping back. There is a slight gloss. I don't think I would call them high gloss, but very pretty. Black and white. I'll get you a close-up here. Really pretty. Okay. It feels very illuminated, even though it's black and white. I like the font, the typeface down here, because it's easy to see and easy to read. I really like this magician. That's fun. Ooh. We do have some nice borders too. So it's very similar to the original Rider-Waite, but I do see the additions or the changes, so that's very nice to see too. Ooh, that's fun. I really do like the use of the light in this. It doesn't feel very flat at all. Sometimes a black and white deck can feel very bland or too distracting. Sometimes with just the plain black and white where there's no shading or there's no gray, it can be very overwhelming, if that makes any sense at all. But this is a nice balance. This feels very grounded as well. All right, let's get into the minors. This is the wand suit. I love the little cat. That's great. Suit of Cups. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a whole chicken for a second. My eyes quickly went, what? I'm telling you, I need to go get a new prescription. Suit of Swords. I think that this would be a great deck if you want to break from like the color. Sometimes color can be a really awesome thing and it helps your intuition, but there's times when you're reading and you just want like the symbolism, or you just kind of want to pay more attention to your own intuition, if that makes sense. So this kind of helps strengthen that a little bit. But this would also be great as a travel deck, as your own personal deck. Just another option for you as well. I think the quality feels really good. I like the size of it. If you're somebody who wants a little update on the Rider-Waite imagery, Rider-Waite-Smith imagery, this is great. It's different, but it's very true to the original. There is some gender swapping in some of the cards, which to me, it's not a huge deal breaker. Just a different way of viewing the energy. We're in the suit of pentacles. I like the contrast. It's very nice. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yes, very nice. I like how it feels like it came out of a sketchbook or like somebody's art portfolio. I like the kind of gothic architecture feel on the back of the cards. That's really nice. Overhand shuffles really nicely. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, we're going to read for the Page of Pentacles. But yeah, no, it feels really good in the hand. Nice. All right. Okay, so it starts out in the suit, starting with the court cards. So we have the Page of Pentacles here. A young man curiously examines a gold coin. It represents a new opportunity or chance, getting practical and realistic about goals and beginning to turn vision into reality, taking time to lay the groundwork. And then we have some keywords here: opportunity, development, and research. Let me just check. Yeah, we have about the same information and layout for the major arcana too. So I think this is great if you are somebody who doesn't really need a lot of information in your guidebook. This is great if you already are, far along in your tarot journey. This is great for you to just have an extra deck, or if you are drawn to the more black and white Rider-Waite-Smith style of decks, this is great. I love, love, love the quality. It feels really good in my hands and shuffling it. I don't have a problem or an issue with that. And it slips. It's great. Beautifully done. The way, I can't stress this enough, the way that the light is done in the black and white style here is wonderful. I feel like I have an easier time seeing everything that I need to see, and it's not so overwhelming. So I do actually think that this is one of my favorite black and white decks so far. I don't own a plethora of them, but the ones that I do, there are certain ones that I'm more apt to use than others, and this would be one of them. So with that being said, I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? What are your thoughts on black and white decks in general? Let me know all of them down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to US Games again for sending this my way, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!